Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix Wi-Fi not working on iPhone in iOS 16. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Solution number 1. Enable and disable airplane mode. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Enable airplane mode. Then wait for few seconds and disable it. Solution number 2. Turn off and on Wi-Fi. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, tap Wi-Fi, turn off Wi-Fi, then wait for few seconds, then turn it back on. Solution number 3. Forget this Wi-Fi. Open the setting app on your iPhone, tap Wi-Fi, tap blue icon, forget this network, tap forget. Now type your network name, then type your Wi-Fi password, tap join. Solution number 4. Check for software update. Open the setting app on your iPhone, scroll down, tap journal. On the journal page, tap software update. Software update is available. Tap download and install to upgrade the iOS. Solution number 5. Reset network setting. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap journal. On the journal page, scroll down, tap transfer or reset iPhone. Tap reset. Tap reset network setting. Enter your passcode. Again reset network setting in the pop-up window to confirm this process. Solution number 6. Turn off and on networking and wireless. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap privacy and security, tap location services. On the location services page, scroll down, tap system services. On the system services page, scroll down, turn off networking and wireless, tap turn off, then wait for few seconds, then turn it back on. Thanks for watching this video.